Our company is part of a holding company for the production of medicines in Novosibirsk. We have a variety of equipment for the production of medicines, from a peltizer to an automatic self-adhesive labeling line. At the end of the year, we carried out modernization and started replacing obsolete and technically obsolete equipment. I have been working as a chief engineer for 20 years and know very well all the technological processes in the company. I made a choice of new equipment to replace technically unsuitable equipment independently, agreeing it with the management before purchase. It was not an easy job. There was a lot of equipment on the market, processes were changed and automated. In the plans of modernization was the purchase of a machine for packaging PVC blisters with pills in a cardboard box. The packaging machine is used as part of automatic lines, at the final stage or separately. The choice of machine depends on the materials used and the desired output. The blisters of tablets are placed in prepared cardboard boxes, according to the technological process of carton packaging. The blister packing process itself, or cartoner, performs in white cardboard boxes of 4 blisters. The old machine was constantly being repaired, and we could not deliver the drug to the customer on time. Since I had already chosen many different machines for our company, I had a little experience in picking up and remaining contacts of some reliable manufacturers of machinery. I began to telephone the manufacturers and ask whether they could produce a machine for packaging PVC blisters of tablets into cardboard boxes. I specified automatic control, quality stainless steel material of the equipment as the main criteria. I was not prepared to wait that long. Since I could not find a manufacturer for a PVC blister carton packaging machine, I decided to take a different route and consult with professionals who work in the pharmaceutical equipment supply industry and maybe suggest another machine option. I searched the internet for an intermediary from Russia because I once had a bad experience with a Chinese intermediary supplying equipment when a powder filling line was brought to us, but there were no installation documents or technical data sheet. It took us a long time to set up the line. We consulted with the manufacturers on the phone, although they were reluctant to talk to us. I chose 3 vendors online. I looked at the firm's time in the pharmaceutical supply market, the company's website, and the machine's delivery terms as criteria. All the companies I called to make sure of the professionalism of their managers. A specialist from one company said to wait for 5 minutes, but she never listened to me. I didn't like such attitude to the customer. The male manager talked to me like a professional. He asked me specific questions about the desired capacity of the machine, the material of bottles, told me about the terms of delivery. At the stage of consultation, he suggested the equipment for packaging PVC blisters of tablets into cardboard boxes, which I was able to quickly coordinate with the management of the enterprise. Within a week we concluded a contract for the supply of equipment. Specialist company offered to test the machine and asked to send blanks of our boxes and blisters with pills. The manager informed us about the degree of readiness of the machine 2 weeks before delivery, and sent a video, where we could see our equipment. The blanks and a sheet of paper instructions, with information about the drug's prescription, route of administration, and side effects were folded, and held together with metal fixtures to hold them in place. Then the rectangular boxes were formed on the production line, and the process of packing the blisters of tablets was carried out. The equipment has a modern control system with an LCD screen. A month after signing the contract, we received the machine for packaging of PVC blisters of tablets into cardboard boxes. The manager provided us with the manufacturer's warranty, technical passport of the equipment, drawings and operation manual. We carried out installation of the machine and trained workers, who will be assigned to the machine within a week. We were satisfied with the equipment, though frankly speaking I was skeptical about this machine. It seemed to me that it was too difficult to operate. However, practice showed that this was the machine we needed. The competent advice saved me time and helped me to avoid mistakes, which I probably would have made if I had made the choice myself.